You've got questions, we've got answers, and they're not sugar-coated. If you've been burned by overpriced systems and empty promises, this FAQ reveals the funnel that's flipping the script with real commissions and real impact, no fluff, no filters, just facts. Let's break down exactly what this is. Home Business Academy FAQ, the $25 funnel that pays 80%, feeds families, and breaks the mold. This isn't a pitch, it's a breakdown of what actually works and why creators are finally seeing results. If you ever paid $997 for a course that ghosted you, drop a fire emoji in the comments. We see you, we've been you. Now, what is HBA? Question. A mentorship first affiliate program that pays 80% commission, starts at $25 a month, and donates meals with every sale. What I get for $25? You get the full Freedom Launch training, funnel builder, pre-win plug and play funnel, step-by-step video walkthroughs, access community, no upsells, no bait and switch. So you can upgrade and you'll get 80% commissions on for $100 a month instead for every member. Okay. What's the premium upgrade? $125 a month unlocks daily live coaching calls, advanced marketing strategies, fault vaults, funnel stacking, email storyteller framework, access to top mentors, and yes, still 80% commission. Does it actually convert? Yes, because it's built on trust, not tricks. The funnel is simple, congruent, and emotionally resonant. It's designed for beginners, optimized for faceless creators, and backed by real testimonials. Okay, what's the impact? Every sale donates meals to families in need. You're not just earning, you're giving back. This funnel feeds your business and feeds the world. Okay. What about support? Active Facebook group, real-time help, no gatekeeping, no ghosting. Can I do this without showing my face? Absolutely. Okay. I'm doing it right now myself. But will you actually do better with your showing your face? Yes, you will. But can you do it this way? Yes, you can. And I'll have some videos with my face in, and my videos right here. It's a it's not a faceless. I actually recorded, with my phone. Okay. Is it beginner friendly? Yes. No coding, no tech overwhelm. Just one page, one message, 1 hour a day. Hit subscribe if you want daily breakdowns like this. No fluff, no hype, just rebel grade clarity. Click below to see the full FAQ and why this funnel is for earning trust while feeding families. You'll see the $25 funnel, the $80% commissions, the community, the impact, and the system that helping creators quit their 9-to-5 without selling their soul. Excuse me. Share this with someone who's stuck in course collector mode. Let's help them find a funnel that actually delivers. This isn't a pitch. It's a peek behind the funnel that's helping creators earn and give back. $25 pays month after month after month. 80% commission stack fast. Meals donated with every sale. No tech headaches, no upsell, no pressure. Just a system that works and a mission that matters. So if you're still wondering, here's the full breakdown one more time. A Home Business Academy fact that $25 that pays 80% feeds families and breaks the mold. That's a system I'm documenting, and it's earning trust one real result at a time. Now, this is the funnel I have, and it's not a company page, okay? It's actually, it starts with this one. You put your name, you put your email address, you hit yes, I want in, and you can take to a page like this where you can watch a video with me and some testimonials from people that have real results, okay? And then yes, I want in, you go to the company page, okay? What does this do? This builds my email list. This builds, it introduces me and shows you why you should know, like, and trust me, okay? It has my phone number, my name, and you can watch a video with me sharing my story, okay? And it's built off the company page. It has the same type of thing right here. Okay. See, you want to stand out. You want to be a badass affiliate, right? You want to build your email list. You want to stand out. Okay. This is the type of stuff you want to do. And it's what the system is built for. Funnel building, right? You want to learn how to make funnels, right? You want to learn how to stand out. Okay. A lot of stuff is drag and drop. We have plenty of, tutorials, etc. Okay, I'm building every YouTube video into a funnel. Look at this. Okay, this is an example, and this will play a YouTube video. Okay, or you can watch it on YouTube. Okay, But yeah, you can get started from any one, okay? Has my name, email address, my phone number, my name, okay? Pretty cool, right? Built with HBA, okay? Look at all these funnels I have, okay? I'm obviously using HBA, all right? And I'm just starting to promote it, okay? And I want to show you another thing. I actually help my team. This is traffic that I bought for me and my team. Thanks for your recent basic payment. To access your product, please log into the link below using your username and password. Basic traffic, $220. Okay? Now, look at this. This is the You've Just Cycled showing you I made money, but I'm also going to show you that I've helped my team too. Congratulations, you've just earned a $50 Spark Matrix Cycle commission. You've also unlocked a new Spark training module and another Matrix position, which will be processed shortly. Log into your back office for more details. Thank you, Affiliate Mentor. So what does that look like? Okay, I'll show you. This is me. This is the Matrix. 6 people. I got paid $50. I opened up another opportunity to get $50 off a one-time $25, right? And more importantly, Cheryl, Hannah, and Bobby Nation. Well, look at them. Remember those names, Cheryl and Bobby, right? Bobby, 2 people from John Solly. See that sponsor, John Solly. And Cheryl, 2 people from John Solly. Look, sponsor, John Solly, okay? I do help my team. I do believe in, it takes, I'm not just trying to eat myself. I'm trying to help you eat too, okay? Trying to help you win too, okay? I'm invested in your success, all right? Another thing, if you want to get started in a program that's only $7 that will help you build this or any other business, okay, then where I got all this training from, then you want to get started with Simple Freedom Warriors. It's a $7 one-time payment that unlocks instant payments to any commission processor you want. You want to get paid PayPal, you want to pay Venmo, you want to pay Bitcoin, Litecoin, whatever. You want to pay the Cash App, you can get paid. You want to get paid in gold? Hey, we can work it out, okay? Now, I'm going to show you I'm not signed in right here. Sign in, right? I'm going to look up Affiliate Mentor Review 2025. I'm going to hit it real quick, and we're going to watch it load. So you see this is real stuff, okay? But I will show you before this loads, look at the #1 hit. It's the #1 person is Postcard Lifestyle, which is our team, okay? Make money on IJJ, that's me, okay? And you can see the same things. Postcard Lifestyle, make money on IJJ in the top channels for the search term, okay? And I'm only going to, these sponsor videos does not count. I'm only going to name this affiliate marketing. That's not the one I was looking for. Let's go back. Affiliate Mentor 2025. Okay. It's loading, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay. So the #1 video is Michael De La Cruz. That is our team. Okay. So is Mr. Orange Dream. So is Postcard Lifestyle. So is Postcard Lifestyle. Okay. Brian Zittelman, another team member. Okay. We are dominating YouTube. Okay. And you can do the same thing. But more importantly, not only will we train you for $7, but we'll train your team. And we'll be a clone army for you, okay? For a one-time $7. Now look, 2 of the 3 videos on Shorts, top videos, are our team, okay? Brian and Postcard Lifestyle, okay? Postcard Lifestyle, Mr. Orange Dream. This is the type of thing, Mr. Orange Dream again. Make money on with JJ, that's me, okay? And let's see if it actually loaded, okay? It's still loading. This is 3 out of 3 videos from our team on Shorts. 1, 2, 3, all our team. Mr. Orange Dream. Make money on with JJ, another video. Notice. I'll show you something real quick. The next video. Mr. Orange Dream. So we are dominating YouTube, and you can do the same thing, okay? Make short videos, and they do not have to be with your, you can be screen records just like this, okay? It's loading slow, so I'm going to move on, okay? If you want to help build any business, okay, you can start from one-time thing. Just say Simple Freedom Warriors. But I'm going to get back to HBA, okay? HBA is a badass thing. You have residual bills, right? You could pay rent. You probably pay, maybe even pay a mortgage. You pay car note, you pay electricity, you pay cell phone, right? You pay cable, right? You might have a Netflix subscription. You might have a Amazon subscription, okay? You have residual bills, okay? You need residual income. How would you like to pay 80% commissions month after month after month? You bring in Brian, let's say you bring in a guy named Brian, and Brian stays because he sees the value in your product. Guess what? Brian pays you August, September, October, November, December, January, February. For as long as he stays, you get $20 a month for him, okay? And if you upgrade and he upgrades, that's instead for one time 120. For 125, you get $100 every single month. They even have a $7 subscription. This also helps feed families, like I told you before. Okay, if you're ready to get started, if you see the value, if you want videos like this, let me know. Okay, say HBA, or you can click the link and get started. Okay, my funnel is now working, and yeah, I've said all I got to say. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solid Man. Don't delay, get with Jay today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Have a great one, everyone.